Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to download and play Super Bear Adventure on your PC. Let's jump in. First, on your web browser, go to the trusted game platform like Steam or the official website for Super Bear Adventure. If you're using the Steam, simply search for the Super Bear Adventure, click Buy or Install, and follow the on-screen instructions. The game will download and install automatically. If you are using the official website, look for the PC download link and click it and save the installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the steps to complete installation. And after installation, open the game from your desktop or start menu and try to start playing. Make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements to avoid crashes or lag. And that's it. That's how you get the Super Bear Adventure on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.